You're welcome to solve this nice exponential equation, which is 5 to power t plus 5 to power t. This is equal to 150. So what is the value of t? Solution from here, you find that 5 to power t is common here. So let's factor out 5 to power t. So into the bracket here, 1 plus 1, this is equal to 150. The next step here, we'll have 5 to power t multiplied by 1 plus 1. This is equal to 2. Okay, this is equal to 150. So let's divide both sides by 2. So that now 5 to power t, this is equal to 75. The next step here, to solve for the value of t, let's introduce the logarithm, that is natural logarithm on both sides, so that you'll have log 5 to power t. This is equal to log 75. Now, log 5 to power t, this is actually in the form of log a to power n, which we can express as n log a. Now, applying this power rule property of logarithm, then log 5 to power t can be expressed as t log 5. This is equal to log 75. Let's divide both sides by log 5 by log 5. So let's simplify here. So that now t is equal to log 75 divided by log 5. Now we can express 75 basically as 25 multiplied by 3. So let's substitute this so that t is equal to log 25 multiplied by 3. All this divided by log 5. Now, log 25 times 3, this is actually in the form of log a multiplied by b, which you can express as log a plus log b. Now, applying this logarithm property, then log 25 times 3 can be expressed as, so log 25 times 3, this is in the form of log a times b, which you can express as log a plus log b. Now, applying this property, then t, this can be expressed as log 25 divided by log 5 plus log 3 divided by log 5. Now we have t is equal to log, we can express 25 as 5 to power 2 divided by log 5 plus log 3 divided by log 5. The next step here, t is equal to log 5 to power 2. By applying the power rule property, this becomes 2 log 5 divided by log 5 plus log 3 divided by log 5. So let's simplify here, log 5 and log 5, so that now t is equal to 2 plus log 3 divided by log 5. The next step here, log 3 divided by log 5, this is in the form of log a divided by log b, which we can express as log a to base b. Now, applying this property, then the value of t is equal to 2 plus log 3 to base 5. Now, this is the value of t. Let's verify that this value of t actually satisfies the equation by following these steps. Now, let's verify that the value of t, which is 2 plus log 3 to base 5, actually satisfies the equation. Now, if you recall here, we end that 5 to power t plus 5 to power t, they should give us a value of 150. So let's check if this is true. Let's substitute the value of t. So here we'll have 5 to power 2 plus log 3 to base 5 plus 5 to power 2 plus log 3 to base 5 This is supposed to give us a value of 150. The next step here, 5 to power 2 plus log 3 to base 5. This is in the form of a to power n plus m, which we can express as a to power n multiplied by a to power m. Now, applying this exponent property, then here we'll have 5 to power 2 multiplied by 5 to power log 3 to base 5 plus 5 to power 2 here multiplied by 5 to power log 3 to base 5. This should give us a value of 150. Let's proceed. Now 5 to power 2, this is actually 5 squared, which is 25. Now we have 25 multiplied by 5 to power log 3 to base 5. This is in the form of m to power log a to base m, which essentially is supposed to give us a value of a. So that implies that 5 to power log 3 to base 5, this should give us a value of 3. So let's substitute this. So here we'll have 25 times 3 plus 5 squared, which is 25, multiplied by 5 to power log 3 to base 5, which is equal to 3. This should give us a value of 150. So in this case, we have 25 times 3 plus 25 times 3. This should be equal to 150. So 25 times 3, this is actually equal to 75, plus 25 times 3, this is actually 75. This should give us a value of 150. 75 plus 75, this is equal to 150. And that implies that the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. And therefore, the value of t, which is equal to 2 plus log 3 to base 5, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.